Hi guys, it's Hammer, and here is a FI1 card. The covers here, and is the vintage tan leather, and you can see the pocket I put it in on the cover. It's very special, and I bet you guys and me all are the first time to see this combination with the pocket, because the customer and her name is Deborah, and Deborah, she is very cool, and she also joined me a lot of the design she wants. Yes, and I feel it's fun because I told you guys I like to discussing with all the design with you guys, because I think all the good design is from the user, not from the maker. Yeah. So just like the users you are, and you are all very know the anything you need and anything you want the design has in the cover. Yes. So she draw me a lot the pictures to me, and I will try to make it so sensitive. And she also mentioned me if I want to name it in this new cover design, and maybe I can call it Crazy or Crackjack or the Peanuts and the Little Nuts and something. Yeah, I feel that I especially like the Crackjack. Crackjack, I think it might be the best name with the notebook cover. Yes. And you can see here inside is a very big pocket in the cover, and each side has a sectorial pocket. Yeah, and also had a card slot in the front. Yeah, and in the surface of the notebook cover, she add a spine. She add a spine here. So I think I will make it now, and I think it will be very nice when it was done. When you done, yes. Okay, just let's do it. See you guys later. Hi guys, I'm back, and you can see here the Crackjack is done. Yeah, and it's really special because here inside has a very big pocket. Usually, I add the big pocket on the front, but this time Deborah just decided to make this in the inside the cover, and also to add to sectorial pocket to let the notebook slide in, and she also want me to add a card slot in each sectorial pocket. So it's really useful and very functional. And because she was talking about she want to ask me to sew in the spine and to sew in the inside pocket here, and I was thinking that is a very good idea, because you can just make the space to be your pen loop too. Yes, if she say she want it, and I feel it's also a very unique design, because it can be the pen loop too, like this. But in the final, she just sent an email to me. She said, okay, she just leave it open. She don't want to sell them, so she decided to make it like this. But it's also very good because she chose the traditional closure, is the elastic closure, yeah, like this, and inside the inside pocket can hide the nut, yes, so the nut won't be show outside, yeah. So but here is a bump here because the nut is under the pocket. Yes, and I feel it's cool because it's my first time to make this style of the notebook cover, and I really like the design. And she also provided the name, let me to name it, like the crazy, the cracker jack, the peanuts, the little nuts, and I in the finally, and I will name it the cracker jack. Yes, I feel the cracker jack is the best name for it. And you can see the big pocket inside here. This part is especially dark, yes, because I think this leather is this part should be the spine of this cow, yeah. So it's very dark here. I feel it's really beautiful, and I also choose the natural edge to her, the raw edge to her, and the small pocket here is the raw edge, but the leather's amount is not enough, so here is don't have the raw edge. It's square, yeah, but it's fine. It's still very good looking, yes. So this is the crack jack from Deborah. Yeah, thank you for Deborah. Let me to make this beautiful product to you, yeah, and I can show the next video to you guys. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye bye.